This tutorial is designed to show you how to create categories in the Grade Center. What we'll do first is we'll talk about categorizing grade columns. One, when you're actually making the column, and then if you have the column already created and you want to categorize it. And then we'll talk about creating new categories. So what we want to do is we want to go into Blackboard, into one of our courses, and then make sure we go into the Grade Center. Once we're in the Grade Center, if we want to create a new column, we click Create Column, and maybe this is a second test that I want to create. Now if you'll notice that after I give the number of points for that assessment, there's this category list, and I'm going to drop down and I'm going to call this a test. Okay, so now that's the category it's in. Now if you'll notice there's only a certain number of categories. I'm going to show you in a minute how to create new ones. After I'm done, I hit Submit. So now this column that I just created has a category of test, and so if you'll notice when I pass over it, I get a little bit of information about it. What I'm going to do is this column right here doesn't have any category with it, nor does the quiz, so I'm going to go click on Manage, and I'm going to go down to Column Organization, and I'm going to come down here and you'll see that that test that I just created has a category and this one doesn't, Test 1. So I'm going to check it, and then at the top I want to change category to, and I'm going to drop it down to Test. You'll notice it's Test now. And let's say my quiz, I want to change its category, and there actually is no category that I want it to be. I might call it Assignment, but let's say it doesn't have a category I want. I want to change and make a category named Quiz. So I'm done here, and I'm going to hit Submit. That'll seal in those changes. And now I'm going to go to under Manage one more time, and I'm going to go down to Categories. And you'll notice that this is a list of the current categories. These I can't change, they're standard. Now I click Create Category, and maybe I want a category for Quiz. And I hit Submit, and you'll notice now that there's this Quiz category. If I don't like that, any of the categories in here that have a drop-down box next to them, I can delete and edit them. I click OK to go back to the Grade Center, and now I actually want to change this quiz to the category. So I'll go under Manage, Column Organization, and now I'm going to click on this Quiz 1, and I'm going to change the category to Quiz, and you'll notice now that's there. And then I hit Submit. So that's how you change categories in your Grade Center in Blackboard 9. You can use that for weighting grades and doing other calculations. Thanks for watching this tutorial.